Okay, so you want to make money with YouTube Shorts? Let me walk you through exactly how to do it step by step, no shortcuts, just real talk. First, you need an aged account. If you don't have one, no big deal. Just create a new Gmail and spend about an hour over 2 3 days watching shorts. This helps the algorithm get a sense of what you're into and starts building your account's credibility. Now, let's talk about finding your niche. Start scrolling through shorts and take note of channels that catch your eye. Use a tool like YT Large to check if those channels are monetizable. Just plug in their URLs and see. Here's a pro tip. Pick a niche you actually care about. It's way easier to stay consistent when you're passionate about the content you're creating. Trust me, you don't want to burn out making videos about something you hate. Once you've got your niche, it's time to train the algorithm. Start engaging with content in your chosen area, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Search for keywords related to your niche to find more creators, and soon enough, your feed will be packed with the kind of content you're looking for. This is where you'll find your inspiration and ideas. Next, study the top creators in your niche, make a list of them, and really dig into their best performing videos. Look for patterns. Maybe their most popular videos are all about extreme sports fails or luxury car crashes. Take those ideas, but don't just copy them. Add your own twist. For example, if they used certain clips, find similar ones they missed. This is how you start to stand out. Editing is super important, and CapCut is your best friend here. It's easy to use, and there are tons of tutorials on YouTube to help you get the hang of it. Keep your edits clean, fast pacing, and engaging. People have short attention spans, so you got to hook them right away. Don't forget to curate your Instagram and TikTok feeds to match your niche. These platforms are like idea gold mines. Scroll through them and you'll find endless inspiration for your shorts. Once you're ready, start posting one video per day. Aim to improve with each upload, and don't be afraid to experiment with different formats, lengths, and ideas. Here's the secret sauce. When one of your videos performs way better than the rest, that's your outlier. Double down on that format or idea, but add a small twist. For example, if your most viral video is about the most expensive cars, make one about the most expensive boat. Keep repeating this process until you hit a few million views. Once you build some momentum, get a music deal to boost your RPM, revenue per mile. You can easily get one by filling out the form in the description. Stay consistent, keep posting, and aim to hit 10 million views in 90 days so you can apply for monetization and start earning through shorts feed ad. When you're ready to scale, outsource. Find editors in video editing, Discord servers, or on Twitter. Train them to replicate your style and pay them to create videos for you. This frees up your time to focus on strategy and growth. The key to success with shorts is consistency, experimentation, and scaling. Keep refining your process. Stay engaged with your niche, and don't be afraid to put your own spin on trending ideas. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to making thousands with YouTube Shorts.